Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Learning with New Mind. Guys, we have started the life processes chapter number 6 of class 10th biology. हम लोगों ने जो है अभी तक जो किया है वो हम लोगों ने हमारा जो डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम वाला पार्ट था, ह्यूमन एंड डाइजेशन, वो हमने कंप्लीट कर लिया है, राइट? So now we are going to start with the next topic, which is respiration, right? Let me remind you one thing, that if you didn't like and subscribe the channel till now, so please subscribe the channel and like and comment and share also, and press the bell icon also as well, so that you can get all the notifications. Okay, so let's start life processes. Okay, so basically, um see, difference between breathing and respiration. बेसिकली जो टॉपिक है वो तो रेस्पिरेशन है, राइट? बट व्हाई आई हैव रिटन ब्रीथिंग हियर? सो सॉरी, breathing here. Okay, so I have written breathing here because now people are quite smart. आपको पता भी चल गया होगा why I have written breathing here. So basically, what is breathing and what is respiration? Now people are quite smart, so they know what is breathing and what is the difference between breathing and respiration, right? So basically, let me tell you about breathing, then you can easily understand what is respiration. Okay, so basically, what is breathing, guys? Breathing is a simple exchange of gases. Okay, breathing is a simply exchange of gases in which an organism takes in oxygen from the environment, right? And gives out what? Carbon dioxide. Okay, so guys, let me tell you that जो हमारा breathing होता है ना, it's just a, you know, एक action हमें दिखता है, that's breathing. Okay, no, it's not कि हम लोग सांस लेने को बोलते हैं what breathing. No, it's breathing, it's totally different from what? Respiration. Okay, so basically difference between respiration and breathing now I am going to tell you. Okay, okay, so let's start. Basically breathing क्या होता है? जो हमारा O2 हमारी बॉडी के अंदर जाता है, राइट? लेट मी शो यू ऑल्सो, वेट अ मिनट गाइस, जस्ट अ मिनट, जस्ट अ मिनट गाइस, लेट मी शो यू, मैं आपको करके दिखाऊंगी. ओके, इज इट विजिबल टू ऑल गाइस? वेट अ मिनट, नो इट्स नॉट विजिबल. नाउ दिस इज विजिबल, राइट? या, सो बेसिकली गाइस, होता क्या है कि ऑक्सीजन ऑक्सीजन जो है हमारी बॉडी में जाता है, ऑक्सीजन गोes in, right? Let me show you. um yeah, is it visible to everyone? I don't think so. So yes guys, so basically, yes guys, so O2 get in, okay, and CO2 get out. Okay, from in body, ये सब कहाँ होता है? हमारा बॉडी में होता है. अंडरस्टूड? सो Breathing is a simply exchange of gases in which the organism takes in oxygen, right? From where? From the environment, right, guys? From the environment, and gives out carbon dioxide, which is nothing but CO2. Okay, and also it is a physical and or mechanical. It is a physical and mechanical process, right? It is a physical and chemical process. Okay, it is a physical and chemical process. Okay, and different organisms have different organs for breathing, right? We know कि जो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनिजम्स होते हैं उनके पास डिफरेंट डिफरेंट क्या होते हैं ऑर्गन्स होते हैं ब्रीथिंग के लिए, राइट? कैसे, है ना? अब डिफरेंट डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनिजम्स कैसे होंगे? डिफरेंट डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनिजम्स तो होते हैं, है ना? अब उसके अंदर डिफरेंट डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स कैसे होते हैं? एनी आइडिया? लेट मी नो दिस इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। बेसिकली गाइस, क्या होता है? ओके, ह्यूमंस के अंदर क्या होता है? नोज होता है और नॉस्ट्रल्स होता है। ओके, एंड वेट अ मिनट। ओके, इन ह्यूमंस we have a nose and nostrils, right? But in fish, in fish, we have, sorry, they have gills. Humans have nostrils and nose, but fishes have gills. Okay, so it means different organisms have different organ for breathing. For example, humans have nose and nostrils, and fish have breathe from gills, and we have lungs also, guys. Lungs. Okay, so respiration. So let's start with the topic respiration. Okay, wait a minute, guys. Wait a minute, just a minute. Okay, so respiration, basically, guys, respiration is a, basically it is a complex process. Okay, respiration is a complex process during which digested food is oxidized. Okay, is get oxidized to release what? Chemical energy. Okay, it is a complex process which get in which food, digested food, get oxidized, and it is and releases chemical energy. Okay, it is a biochemical process and takes place inside the cell. Where? Inside the cell. Okay, inside the cell, and it involves a series of reaction. Okay, and it's stored at ATP molecules, which is nothing but endostine triphosphate, and respiration occurs in two phases. What are these two phases? Basically, these two phases are, let me tell you, first phase is breathing or external respiration. What? Breathing and external process, right? Breathing and external process. And second one is internal and tissue respiration. What? Internal and tissue respiration. Okay. Internal and tissue respiration. These are the two phases. Okay. Now, so guys, I think this is quite, you know, quite clear. Okay. So let me tell you one diagram also. Okay. And here, let me show you one diagram as well. Okay. From book. Okay. Just a minute, guys. From book, I am going to show you a picture so that you can get more idea about respiration. Okay. This one, guys. This. Right. So basically, guys, in this, यहाँ पे nasal passage, यहाँ से जो है हमारा, यहाँ पे म्यूकस और हेरी लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स होते हैं, यहाँ से हमारा ऑक्सीजन जाता है यहाँ से फिर लंग्स में जो भी प्रोसेसेस होते हैं वो टेक प्लेस करते हैं। और कहाँ पे करते हैं? देयर आर alveoli, millions of alveoli in our lungs. Okay, alveoli structure is like this. This is alveoli. Okay, and these alveoli are also known as air sacs. Okay, this is respiratory organ, or we can say respiratory bronchis. Okay, yes. So next thing, guys, this one. Okay, so basically, yeah. So here's a question for you guys. Name the process by which energy is obtained by living organisms. Okay, मैंने आपको बता दिया है कि कौन सा प्रोसेस है जो एनर्जी क्या करता है, ऑब्टेन करता है लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स में। ओके, आई वांट दिस आंसर इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, एंड जिसका आंसर मुझे सबसे पहले मिलेगा उसका आंसर मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डिस्प्ले करने वाली हूँ। ओके, सो नेक्स्ट, देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन, गाइस। ओके, फर्स्ट इज aerobic respiration and second one is anaerobic respiration. Okay, so basically what is aerobic respiration, guys? Basically aerobic respiration is actually it needs the presence of oxygen. Basically aerobic respiration occurs in the presence of oxygen and occurs in the mitochondria. Okay, where it occurs in the it occurs in the mitochondria. Okay, aerobic respiration occurs in the mitochondria. Okay, I am representing it with M, right? And the presence of O2. Okay, wait a minute. Here's a blank slide. Yeah. So see. So basically what happens, aerobic respiration. Okay. So aerobic respiration में क्या होता है कि it needs the presence of oxygen, O2, right? And occurs in the mitochondria, right? In which mitochondria, mitochondria, right? It is occurring in the mitochondria, and glucose is completely broken down into CO2 and H2O. Okay. Uh, Glucose is completely broken down into CO2 and H2O. It releases energy. Okay. What it releases? Energy. It occurs most of the organisms in all higher forms of life. Okay. Now let's talk about what? Anaerobic respiration. So basically if aerobic respiration is occurring in the presence of oxygen, so it's naturally anaerobic respiration occurs in the absence of oxygen, right? So anaerobic respiration is anaerobic respiration occurs in the absence of oxygen. Okay, in the absence of oxygen, we're in cytoplasm. Okay, it results in the incomplete oxidization of glucose into what? Lactic acid. Okay, in animals, humans are also there, or alkyl alcohol in the plants. Okay, it releases lesser energy. Okay, and what? It releases lesser energy, and it takes in certain bacteria, yeast, and certain tissues of higher organisms in humans during vigorous molecular tissues, right? When the demand of O2 is more than the supply, muscle cell start repairing anaerobic temporarily. Okay, so now here's a question for you. I want this answer in the comment section. Okay, so the question is why there is more energy. यहाँ पर is missing है, so why there is more energy released in aerobic respiration than the anaerobic respiration. Okay, मैंने इसका भी आपको आंसर दे दिया है. I want this answer in the comment section. Okay, so guys, this table is very very important. Okay, so basically इसमें हो क्या रहा है? ग्लूकोज. ओके, ग्लूकोज क्या कर रहा है? विच इज 6 कार्बन मॉलिक्यूल. ओके, इन साइटोप्लाज्म pyruvate 3 carbon molecules. Okay, which is divided into 3 parts. These 3 processes are occurring in pyruvate. Okay, which is absence of oxygen, lack of oxygen, presence of oxygen. Okay, so first, what is in absence of oxygen? Basically it presents in yeast. Okay, ethanol, CO2 and energy is releasing. Okay, in absence of oxygen, yeast हम लोग fermentation जब होता है तब भी होता है yeast का use. Okay, while you're making dosa and bread, anything, yeast का यूज होता है. तो देयर इज वो थोड़ा सा अगर ऐसे बीकर है आपका, आपने यहाँ तक कंटेनर फिल किया है, तो अगर फर्मेंट हो गया तो देयर आर सम bubbles like structure are there. So that is ethanol, carbon dioxide and some energy is released. Okay, now lack of oxygen, it occurs in human muscle cell. where lactic acid हमने अभी, which is anaerobic respiration, right? This is anaerobic respiration, right? Respiration, ठीक है? Presence of oxygen. Okay, so presence of oxygen, it occurs in mitochondrial, ठीक है? In which CO2, which is carbon dioxide, water and energy is releasing. Okay, so next question for you guys. Name the intermediate 3 carbon molecules from the 6 carbon molecules of glucose during respiration. आंसर नहीं पता तो एक बार ये स्लाइड जल्दी से देखो. क्वेश्चन क्या है? नेम द 3 इंटरमीडिएट 3 कार्बन मॉलिक्यूल्स फॉर्म्ड 6 कार्बन मॉलिक्यूल्स. 3 कार्बन मॉलिक्यूल यहाँ पर कहीं लिखा हुआ है, राइट? देख लो, जहां पर भी इस पूरी टेबल में 3 कार्बन मॉलिक्यूल form 6 carbon molecules. Very very easy. I know you can do it, right? I want this answer in the comment section. Next, ये है हमारा ह्यूमन रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम, मैंने आपको दिखा दिया है, राइट? और मैंने आपको ये एक्सप्लेन भी कर दिया है. So what products are formed during respiration in our molecule, in our muscles when there is less supply of ऑक्सीजन? मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है, राइट? सो थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन फॉर being with us, right? So thank you for watching this video, and if you didn't subscribe and like the channel, so please do subscribe and like. And if you like the explanation and the video, so please do like, share and comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you.